Hi students, welcome to Power Electronics Laboratory. In this video, we'll discuss about SCR digital triggering circuit, or else it is also called as digital firing circuit. So this is just a study experiment, that is, you'll be observing the waveforms of the digital triggering circuit, right? So now we need digital firing circuit module and a CRO. Only two things are required here. Now, so these are the various waveforms which we'll be observing today. So this is at pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3 until pin number 8. Right? These are the triggering pulses T1 and T1 dash, T2 and T2 dash, and you can see that there is some phase shift with respect to this waveform and this waveform. Right? So now, so this is the diagram how the digital triggering circuit is made. Right? So you can go through this one. So these are the pin points, right? So the first point will be the AC waveform. This is the second point, which is rectified output, and this third pin is the uh, pulse generator. Fourth one is ramp generator. Fifth one is op amp comparator, right? And then you have train of pulses here, and this is T1, T1 dash, T2, T2 dash, right? So now this is how it will be practically. Yeah, this is how it will be. So whatever numbers I told 1 to 8, these are those checkpoints, or these are the terminals where you will be checking those outputs, right? So as I told you in the beginning, you need only two devices here. One is CRO and the one is digital triggering circuit. So what we'll be doing is we have to just turn on the power here, right? And then we need to take a probe. As you all know, probe will have two wires. So you'll have a black wire, you'll have a black wire, right? Again, in that which you'll have one black wire which will be connecting it to the ground, right? And we'll have one red wire in the probe through which we'll be checking the outputs. So first you have to connect this. Connection will be constant, that is, always this ground will be connected to the black wire, and using the red wire, that is positive 1, you have to check the output. So when you keep the when you touch the terminal 1 here, or when you connect the terminal 1 here, then you can see the waveform here. What was the first waveform? So you'll observe this sinusoidal waveform, right? Once you observe this sinusoidal waveform in the CRO, you have to note down what is the amplitude, what is the frequency, what are the time divisions, and all those, right? Similarly, next what you have to do is you have to you have to connect you have to connect this wire to pin number 2, right? When you connect that to pin number 2, you'll get this half wave rectifier, right? You'll get this half wave rectifier output. So similarly, you have to check all the terminals. So these are the types of waveforms which you'll observe in the CRO, and you have to note down with respect to the amplitude and time divisions, and you have to draw the graph for the same, right? This is just a study experiment, right? Thank you.